Got a group that can't all agree on where to eat? Hey, it's Ivan from This Is San Diego, and in this episode, we're taking you to the Windmill Food Hall. Let's check it out. North County's iconic windmill is turning again, signaling the arrival of the Windmill Food Hall in Carlsbad. Over a year in the making, the project transformed the former venue, a Danish-style restaurant and food hall, into a 12,000 square foot dining and entertainment hub easily accessible from the 5. This is where you'll find over a dozen already established restaurants, as well as some permanent ventures from some farmers market favorites. Convoy Street in Kearny Mesa is well represented by Cross Street Chicken and Beer, Bing House Desserts, and Friend's House, a Korean-style eatery, while Carlsbad, El Puerto, and Notorious Burgers have launched annexes here as well. Here we have a lobster roll from Lobster West, and let me tell you, it smells delicious. But food isn't the only reason to come check out the Windmill Food Hall. On Thursdays, you have live music, and on Sundays, mimosas and yoga. Well, I hope you enjoyed your exclusive look at the Windmill Food Hall. My name is Ivan from This Is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. We'll see you next time.